Hi folks, Mike McCormick here at the Modern Muscle Car Showroom in Central Florida. I'm out here today with this absolutely stunning 1959 Corvette Convertible. Now to look at this car on the outside, it looks completely 100% original. You would think it was right off the showroom floor, untouched, but that's where the originality ends. This car is in fact a complete and total Pro-Touring Restomod, front to back, top to bottom. Under the hood, there's an LS1 5.7. It's got power brakes, power steering, air conditioning. Now this car is sitting on an Art Morrison frame, runs and drives like a new car. It stops, it steers, it turns just like a new car. Let's go for a spin. So if you want a Corvette that you can drive, get in and drive every day, not have any troubles, any worries, all hassle-free, a Restomod is the only way to go. You know, we love the original Corvettes too, but 60-year-old parts or 70-year-old parts break down. They have issues with them. You have to adjust carburetors all the time. You just don't have those issues with a Restomod. Watch how easy this starts. Just like that. It's going to do that each and every time with an LS1 under the hood. And being on an Art Morrison frame, if you've ever driven one of these that's on an Art Morrison frame, it's amazing. The steering, the feel, the ride, so much more better than the original frames that came with these cars. Let's go for a spin. This of course has an automatic transmission, what I kind of prefer. Some of you insist upon shifting. That's okay if that's what you like. It's not anything that I'm terribly crazy about. I've had stick shift cars for years and years and kind of got tired of going through traffic, but just my preference. This car is gorgeous inside and out. The trim, all the trim looks like brand new. The glass is all new. Literally everything about the car is brand new. The paint is just amazing. Everyone that sees this car goes, wow, look at this paint. And this is a fairly new build. I have 900 miles on this build. It was completed about less than a year ago and done right here in town, matter of fact. I'm running down the road. If you could hear me for the wind noise, for 60 miles an hour, just the smoothest silk. What a nice cruiser. And you gotta love power steering in these cars, unlike the old days when they didn't have it. This is a one-finger turn. Just one finger. And the brakes, these Wilwood brakes, they stop very easily. Sets the car down. So here's your chance to get a really, really awesome, complete, total Restomod for, I think, a fantastic price. If you've been watching Meekum and Barrett Jackson and some of these other shows, the prices on Restomod Corvettes, C1 and C2s, are through the roof. Most of these cars sitting on Art Morrison frames with new LS, it's completely done. Most of them are bringing well over 200,000 and most of them in the 250 to 300 range. So you want a super nice car, one that you can daily drive, one that you could get in and go anywhere without the worries of the issues you might have with an all original, yet still have that all original look. This is the car. Come down and take it for a test drive. You'll see what I mean.